First of all, I want to thank you guys. It's been a pleasure just sitting under your teaching. I've learned so much. You kept us engaged. You kept the class fun. And even Abe and Vija and the whole team has just been amazing. I didn't know what really to expect with the course. I often told I have my team on here. My son is on here. I have just a lot of people on here. Literally, my best friend, she's texting me now saying, I'm so lost. I'm here though. You know, she's not getting it. But they've heard me talk about the class. I have a very special friend, some special friends on here that have encouraged me. Just a little story that the class doesn't know. When I met with what is his name, guy? Hubert, for the interest meeting, I left the interest meeting so super excited that a friend of mine called because he knew I was coming to the interest meeting. And he said, April, he said, I believe in what you're saying so much. What would it take right now for you to become a member of this company and of this program? And I bust out laughing. I said, $599. He said, well, I'm pulling my car over right now to give you my credit card. And he paid for it right then. But that just went, I'm sharing that to say, people pick up on your energy. They pick up on what you're excited about. And it was worth every bit and more. I was sharing with some friends and family earlier that I feel like it's $500,000 worth of information that I have and can retain. I feel very confident going into my business now. I feel like I have all the tools to be successful. And like Abe say, just put it to work. And I know I have the team to work it with me. So it's been great. Thank you.